Panama City's Christmas parade is organized by the mayor's office and features dozens of floats. School bands from all over Panama fill the air with Christmas music. Children love the parade, especially the artificial snow on a hot December afternoon. The Night of Radishes is a Christmas celebration unique to the southern Mexican city of Oaxaca. On December 23rd, around 3 p.m., large radishes are brought to the central plaza. For the next 2 hours, participants carve figures made from the radishes. The most creative and beautiful design will win a prize. Empanadas from Argentina, which are made of dough and filled with ground beef, onions, olives, and raisins, are usually served as appetizers. Since Christmas is during the summer, many families plan barbecues to take advantage of the fair weather. For the traditional Christmas dinner, roasted turkey, nuts, and sweetbreads are served. At midnight, fireworks explode and then presents are opened. Traditionally, children receive gifts on January 6th delivered by the Three Kings. Peruvian policemen are dressed as Melchor, Gaspar, and Balthazar, who in a biblical story followed the Star of Bethlehem to bring gifts to the infant Jesus. Of course, Peruvian children are also visited by Santa Claus, better known as Papa Noel. In Madrid's holiday parade, the camel is laden with presents that are traditionally handed out by the Three Kings instead of Santa Claus. In a ski resort in the Pyrenees, the Three Kings don't arrive on camels, but on a ski lift. Parades to commemorate the Three Kings are held in many cities, such as Seville. Roscones de Reyes is a typical dessert for the Day of Three Kings. A little trinket is hidden inside for a lucky person to find.